Hi guys, welcome to Civil Engineering. My name is Elvis. I hope you are all fine. Today we'll be looking on how to find the length and the height of the staircase, the length and the height of the staircase using the slope and the angle, using the slope of an angle. And guys, this is very interesting. Before we begin, if you are new in this channel, guys, if you are new, do not forget to like this video, you subscribe and you hit on the notification bell to always have the latest update. Here guys, let's begin. Guys, if you have a staircase like this, you have been given the slope. This is the slope. Maybe you have been given the riser to be 17. Let's consider the riser is 17. Let's consider this is a riser which is 17. We don't know the going, but we know the slope and we do not know the length. This is the length. This is the length. We don't know. This is the height. We don't know. But we are asked to find the length and the height. How do we do this, guys? We need calculations. We need to, let me say, this is a right angle triangle. This is a right angle triangle. To find the length and the height of the triangle. Of the triangle. So to find this length now, guys, we need to, let's begin with this one. This is like opposite. This is adjacent. Adjacent side, and this is the hypotenuse. This is the hypotenuse here. So we use this formula, which is opposite. Let me just put O. Opposite is equals to sine, because when there is opposite, it should be sine. When there is adjacent, it should be cos. So to look for this height, we need to use, that is opposite equals to sine 30 degrees times the hypotenuse. The hypotenuse, which is the slope of the staircase. We are looking for the opposite, and to look for the opposite, we need to, of which the opposite is the height, we need to use the opposite. We need to use sine 30 times the slope, which is sine 30 times 5, which is sine 30 equals to times 5. This is 2.5 equals to 2.5. So that this height is 2.5. So let's look for the length of this. It should be adjacent. Let's just put A. This is equal to cos 30 degrees multiplied by the hypotenuse, which is the slope. This is equal to cos 30 degrees multiplied by 5, which is equal to cos 30 equals to multiplied by 5. This is 4.2. 4.2. This is the length of this 4.2. You see, guys, this is very simple. And now from this they have already given the number of the height of one riser. So if you use this, you divide it by this, you'll know how many riser will be here. Like for example, 2.5, 250 divided by 17 equals to 14.7. This is 14.7. We round it up to be 15 steps. To be 15 steps, which is 15 riser. This is 15 steps. And to use this one now, we can still use this one now to know the number of going, which if we calculate is going to give us. So now, guys, we are done with this. And now, guys, you can still give you just the levels, just give you this level and this level to calculate for the number of steps here. So this is very simple, guys. You just use, maybe they will just give you the riser to be 17 and they will just give you this level. You don't know the number of the steps. You just use this level, which is 136 divided by 17. This is equal to 8 riser. It shows that this is first flight, which is 8 risers. If it is 8 risers, you want to know the number of going, you just use the number of riser minus 1. It's going to give you the number of goings. So it shows that if this is 8 riser, this should be, we don't know the going, but we can still use this formula, which is 2g plus 4 equals to 60. If you use this formula, this is going to be, g is going to be 60 minus 4 divided by 2, which is 30. It should show that 30 is the going. So the one going is 30. So now, guys, from here you already know the going and the riser. So, but you don't know, you just know by the first flight. The second flight, you don't know the number of the flight, but they have given you the level. So you can still use this level, 290 divided by 17, which is the height of one riser. This is equal to 17.0. 17.0, you subtract 8 steps minus 8. This is equal to 9.0. It shows that the first flight it is 8 and the second flight is 9. This second flight is 9 steps. As this second flight is 9 steps, you want to know the number of going. 9 minus 1 is equal to 8 going. Shows that we have on the first flight we have 7 going and 8 riser, and on the second flight we have 9 going and 9 riser and 8 goings. Guys, I hope you have really enjoyed this video. Please do not forget to like, you subscribe, and you hit on this bell, guys, to always have the latest notification, guys. Do not forget to subscribe. Do not forget to subscribe, because you always have the latest updates. Okay. Thanks for watching and see you in my next video, guys.